of my favorite cars is back, and I'm happy that this car came back. Yesterday, damage dropped off my 190e Mercedes, and I missed this car. I could have gone for the car a long time ago, but I was just lazy and couldn't bother with the traffic and the drive and all that stuff. And then like the timing just wasn't adding up with everything. But yeah, guys, damage dropped off the car yesterday. Let me show you guys when he dropped it off yesterday, and then we'll come back and we'll show you guys all the modern touches that we did to this car. This car it's headed in the right direction. Oh, go on! Yeah. Bless up. Bring back the machine.
Yeah, man.
Oh, it's there.
My car sweet, man. If you want something to turn your head.
Yeah. I like that. Yeah.
Why everywhere we stop? Yo, give me something. It's not that there's traffic.
Yeah. So.
Nice, man.
Yeah. So we have to take the car in our stages. So we install the paddle shifters in the car. Man, paddle shifters installed, guys. So I'll go on here, sir. Paddle shifters. So car shift. Mad. And then we have ECU to put in.
Yeah.
So
Shortly.
yeah. So we're taking it in stages.
Yeah. Get rid of this.
Yeah, get rid of that and
Drive by wire.
go drive by wire. Man.
Get rid of all these messy things.
Yeah. Yeah, man, you just be able to clean up nice. And I mean, we have to go paint up some stuff and
Yeah, because all these old loom, so
Yeah.
basically gonna do a wire top.
yeah.
All them wire, you're not gonna see them anymore. All these look a bit neater.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So
But the car nice though, man. The car.
Mrs. say I enjoy it, man. Mrs. say I enjoy it.
It trust me, it just has that joy for drive, man. I swear.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
The suspension not too rigid, then a soft. That's perfect, man.
Yeah.
Get in there. You miss it?
To the car. I'm collecting the car. Can I collect the car in peace?
What?
The Benz.
The Benz?
Yeah. I can collect it in peace.
What? Yeah.
We are sitting in my 190e Mercedes, and we now have paddle shift. We have some beautiful paddle shift, guys, and these are so clean. The only thing is I didn't have a clock spring, so we ended up have to get some coil wire so that when the steering turn and stuff, the wire don't twist up under there. It's pretty clean. Like the quality, hear the sound, guys. Yo, the quality of these, it's crazy. It feels so nice, they fit well. I need to check, did these cars come with airbag? I don't remember now, when I took off this, I don't remember if there was a clock spring in it, if there was an airbag. These cars didn't come with airbag back in the 80s. Did they come with an airbag in the steering wheel? I will check, guys. I will do some fact check. Ever since I got this car, it has been my goal to make this car drive as modern as possible while still looking very classic and still retaining some of the, the classic look and feel and all that stuff. One of the first things I did is put a 1JZ in it, turbocharged. And this was a twin turbo engine, but we put a single turbo on it. The factory engine, nothing was wrong with it. I still have it in my garage down there. It had a complicated fuel system that I didn't really know about or had the interest to try and figure out. So I was trying to modernize that engine where I was trying to put like a intake manifold, a more modern intake manifold on it with injectors. I actually bought the injectors and everything, and was trying to get the manifold modified, but yeah, that didn't turn out so well. So well, yeah, guys, like I said, we put a more modern engine in it, and then we got to a point where we were having some transmission issue, and then I did some I don't remember what I was doing. I think I was on YouTube, and I was watching Car Wow, and I saw the Supra with the BMW transmission, and then I did some research, and then I realized Turbolamic is the one who supply the TCU to make everything work, the brains behind the transmission. So I reached out to Turbolamic, and they were willing to come on board and help to assist with this, guiding us along the way, sending us whatever we need to make this work. So they have been very helpful, and the transmission shifts like a dream. That's one good thing BMW making. BMW make a good transmission. And fun fact, guys, this car and the E30 were rivals back in the day. The E30 was this car competitor, and that was the purpose of the M3, the first M3. This car was the purpose to beat this car, you know what I mean? So, fun fact. So when Turbolamic sent the TCU, this falling out. This is the monitor that shows the gears, show all the features of the transmission. And as you can see, I have a BMW shifter in here, converted it in this car. After we got everything we needed, we realized that the TCU came with extra wires for a paddle shifter. So I reached out to Turbolamic again, and they guided me in the right path, telling me what to buy, what to get. And guys, I'm impressed. We need to go for a drive so you guys can see how this thing operates. All right guys, we're just gonna go for a quick drive around the hill. Not going on the main road today. And I mean, if we go on the main road, just bear traffic and all that stuff. So let's just drive around the hill and go through some of the gears and see. Sweating. I roll on the windows because I want you guys to hear what's going on. Ooh, what's going on outside. Here we go. Driving in normal first. Transmission shifting nicely, and it shows all the gears here, guys. So it's in third now, second, all right, we're gonna put it over in manual. So it's in second, safe, gear down. Jumps up. Look at that jumps up, like the transmission too bad for the car. It's nice though, it's nice. Alright, we're gonna turn back. Alright, down the hill. I think the car needs some gas too, you know. Man, reverse. So you can see the thing wrapping up around the steering wheel. I'm gonna look and see if I have the clock spring though. I don't remember if this car came with the thing. Alright, put it back over in manual. Right, stay in second. Do I rev from first gear? Yo! The thing does a spin off the wheel behind me. Yo! Yo, guys, that's sick, that's sick. Yo, man. And yo, I wasn't even pressing down on the pedal. I was like probably a quarter on the pedal because I don't want to flat it out because it's not tuned. But yo, that's sick. That felt real good, guys. Man, I feel like putting the camera on the back and go for another drive. All I can say is that's freaking incredible, guys. That's amazing. I don't know what to say. I'm lost for words. I'm so impressed with how this thing is performing, and the car is not even tuned yet. But just the big difference, the transmission and the TCU made, and along with these paddle shifters. Gosh, it's a modern car. This is a modern car. This car wasn't made in the 80s. Oh, man, guys, this car, I'm so impressed. I'm very impressed with the car. Next step from here, we just have to keep, making this car better and better. So next thing is to tune. I already have the ECU for it. It's just to, for the wire work to be done, and then we can take it to the dyno and tune it. But this car is a very light car. It's very small. So it's not very small, but it's small. You know what I mean? So if I put 300 horsepower in this, I think it's going to be way too much. It's going to be a lot. It's going to be a lot of power. Wow. I'm impressed, guys. Thanks to Damage for all the work that you put into this car. And thanks to Turbolamic for providing all the necessary items that we needed. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'm very impressed. Very.